doesn't have a name.
Can we name it?
I wonder if we should come up with some ideas, and maybe Jill and Megan can decide what they like the best.
Let's name her Jennifer.
Zebra.
Okay, there's one vote. There's plenty of Jennifers in the world, though, so I don't know how original that is. Any other votes? What would anybody else like to name this chicken?
Zebra.
Zebra.
All right.
What about you, Allison?
I'm going.
You like zebra? What about you? What about you? What would you like to name that chicken?
Mars.
Mars.
Good
Mars.
one.
We know it's a girl, don't we? Cora, do you have a name for this chicken?